So here is Zoom Earth app weather forecast. So let's just take a look at this, and here you have it. And then yeah, you just show your location. This map shows near real-time satellite imagery. It can be used to see cloud storms, fog, smoke, and more direct from geostationary satellites. Satellites at night are not live. So here you just see your location, and then you can see the satellite view and last recorded history. New live rain radar. Try the beta version of new radar map. Radar detects precipitation in real time, and then you can just try it. Pretty cool. Measure distance, upgrade to Pro. Annual just $12, monthly $2. Forecast maps up to 10 days. Radar, nowcast 1 hour. Tropical weather alerts. It's pretty cool. Just, to see the satellite and what is this? This is probably like the satellite. Radar precipitation forecast. Then you can see map in the top whether it's raining or not. So that's a kind of pretty cool app actually. You can see all the filters, wind, temperature, forecast. So yeah, that's kind of the idea. And humidity. So yeah, that's the idea.